This tutorial review will show you how to change name in iPhone messages. So if you want to change your messages or iMessages name, then go to your settings app, scroll down and tap on messages, tap on share name and photo, and you can create your emoji from here, but I'm going to skipping this. And now tap on choose name and photo. And choose your photo to share. You can tap on this three dot to select a photo, or you can upload a photo from your gallery by tapping here. Tap on continue, use, and here you will find your name option. So from here you can easily change your message name and tap on done, and that's how you can do it. Now whenever you send a message, the recipient will see your name you said. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial reviewer. See you in the next video.